Alright, I talked to him, told him he should not be climbing, rappelling down the side of a wall. He went back up, and now he's going down the normal pathway. That's still not simple, but much, much safer. And here he comes. Out here in the Westfjords, every 30 seconds there's a waterfall like this. It is insane. And he just wanted to stop and climb one. Let's look out here. If we can get a good shot of these. That's the one road, 60. That's our car down there, and that's the road we have to take. I don't know how many kilometers away we are. Alright, I think he's back. Hey, that was genius. I got you climbing down the side of a wall. That was not one of your brighter moments.
I could have jumped a little faster.
But that's why I trust you. Alright. Off to the next adventure. Anything else you want to say? Well, because I'm videoing you, you should know. Anything you want to say about what you saw up there?